Yeah, you remember Martin and Kelton? That used to be Kelton's, and Martin gave it to us. Oh, hold on. Sorry, it was the heater. It got too hot.
It's stuck.
Yeah? Here.
Is it still wet inside?
A little bit, not bad. Okay.
You first.
Close the door.
Close the door, T. Close the door. Close the door. All the way. Okay, Chaser. Okay, Chase. Do you see the gas pedal on the floor?
Honey.
What? Stop.
Get off the pedal.
You're fine, hold on.
Sit down, T. It's okay.
It's okay, it's okay, T.
They both want out.
You want out? Okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
It's okay. I know. I was scared too. I know.
Hold on. Okay, do it again.
Easy.
Go stand over underneath the heater.
Do it again.
Why not?
Sorry.
Put your foot on the pedal.
No. This is fly.
What do you say?
Pedal.
Do it. You can do it.
Pedal.
Go ahead.
Put your foot on the pedal. When you get to Daddy, take it off.
I did pedals.
You want to drive it?
Go ahead.
I did pedal.
Do you want to drive it, T?
Okay, Chase, you want to let T drive?
Yes. Ready?
Here, hold on. Get out.
You can just scoot over.
I need help.
Here. Now you just sit over here.
I can't
Oh, come on, you can sit in here.
I'm working hard.
Go ahead,
Okay,
T.
you drive.
Okay. I'm working hard.
Go ahead, T.
Do you want to sit and drive? Put your foot on the pedal? No?